Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the handheld GPS and confirming it has maps and a charged battery. This matters because weak power or missing maps stops navigation. Once done, set the device to your region and disable any power-saving features that reduce location updates. Make sure the antenna or case isn't blocking sky view. Place the unit where it sees open sky. Also set time zone and units, meters or feet, because correct time improves satellite fixes and consistent units avoid. Now you focus on getting a reliable satellite fix. Move outside with an unobstructed sky view and hold the unit steady for 1 to 3 minutes. The device needs at least 4 satellites for a full 3D fix. Fewer gives only 2D position and less accuracy. While waiting, confirm your datum and map projection match local charts so coordinates align. Once you see acceptable accuracy, mark a waypoint or set a route. That preserves position and avoids reacquiring when you start moving. Begin navigation by selecting a waypoint or route and following the bearing or turn-by-turn guidance. Watch the moving map and keep the device oriented. Record waypoints at trail junctions and enable track logging so you can retrace steps. If accuracy drifts or you lose fix, first pause and hold the unit with open sky, then restart the GPS if needed. If problems persist, check for firmware or map updates. Remove nearby metal slash covering that blocks signal and retry. That clears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.